What is the role of a great manager? How does a great manager both share their experiences, mentor, train? Like, what have you seen from the best mentors in this space, the best managers in this space? What do they do that other people don't?
Number one, lead by example. Don't ask someone to do something you wouldn't do. The other is, if you have a manager, what things are you willing to accept and not accept? Like with equipment problem, but if it repeats itself over and over again, then I can't accept that. Got to track the information, but I want the manager to be humble. I want them to be, a true leader. I want the manager to respect everyone, including production, even though production may get a little crazy sometimes. That's okay. You have to use what I used to do called walk the plant, go outside and walk around the outside of the plant, cool down, then come back and finish the conversation. If you have someone that is an officer in the Army Reserve or National Guard, they're an officer, they got the leadership principle. They may be a technicians on the floor, but you want to put them in a leadership position. And it could be a lead person
Yeah.
or something, because they've gone through the training. I mean, training that we could never imagine.
Some great leadership qualities come out of some of the most intense training that the military, the army goes through. So some of our best people here at UpKeep are vets themselves.